On our website, you can get PDF learning materials for free. Please visit englist.me.
Mars.
A small reddish planet that revolves around the Sun at the fourth position and is periodically visible to the naked eye.
Examples:
Mars colonization, Mars exploration. The ice caps on the poles of Mars are permanent.
Outflow.
The leakage of fluid from a container, a natural flow of groundwater.
Examples:
Outflow fluid, outflow of capital. After the valves were closed, the outflow halted.
Highland.
An area of elevated land or hilly terrain.
Examples:
Highland Indian, Highland agriculture. This region has a humid subtropical and highland climate.
Interconnect.
To connect similar things.
Examples:
Directly interconnect with those systems. Human activities interconnect with the environment. Our system can now interconnect with other databases.
Resemblance.
Similarity in appearance or exterior or superficial details.
Examples:
Striking resemblance. Faint resemblance. The resemblance between Anna and her mother was astonishing.
Earthy.
Relating to or like earth or soil, not far removed from or suggestive of nature.
Examples:
An earthy sense of humor. Earthy material. This building used earthy elements such as stone, brick, and wood.
Martian.
Of or relating to Mars or its imaginary inhabitants.
Examples:
Martian geography. Martian surface. There is very little water in the Martian atmosphere.
Relic.
An object from a previous era, especially one of historical value.
Examples:
Historical relic. Holy relics. This bronze sword is a relic of ancient times.
Catastrophic.
Extremely harmful, causing physical or financial destruction.
Examples:
Victim of catastrophic injuries. Catastrophic climate change. The extinction rate of aquatic animals was catastrophic.
Equator.
A line of latitude that separates Earth's northern and southern hemispheres and has a radius of around 40,075 kilometers, 24,901 miles.
Examples:
South of the equator. Above the equator. Ecuador is on the equator.
Onrush.
A strong forward rush or flow, an offensive against an enemy.
Examples:
Onrush of the sea. Onrush of sadness. The explosion interrupted the wild onrush of the enemy's invasion.
Teardrop.
Anything shaped like a falling drop, as a pendant gem on an earring, a single tear that falls from the eye.
Examples:
Teardrop balloon. Teardrop earring. Teardrop rubies and diamonds were set in white gold.
Judiciary.
Persons who administer or enforce justice.
Examples:
Independence of the judiciary. Member of the judiciary. The judiciary of the case was inexperienced and lacked locally educated attorneys.
Speculate.
To form a theory or conjecture or guess about a subject without solid evidence.
Examples:
Speculate about the reason. Speculate on the outcome. He speculated that this investment would lead to success.
Adorn.
To make something or somebody more attractive or beautiful.
Examples:
Adorn a bride. Adorn the table with flowers. The architect adorned the interior with great artworks and frescoes.
Surveyor.
An engineer who measures and records the details of areas of land.
Examples:
Land surveyor. Geographical surveyor. The surveyors asked various related questions about the land.
Crater.
A huge bowl-shaped cavity in the earth or an object in space, usually created by an explosion or the impact of a meteorite.
Examples:
Crater lake. Lunar crater. An enormous crater marks the area where the vast volcanic explosion occurred.
Expanse.
A substance, such as water or oil, that flows freely and is neither a solid nor a gas.
Examples:
Vast expanse. Large expanses. She looked over the immense expanse of the sea.
Lowland.
Low-lying country or region.
Examples:
Lowland crop. Lowland swamp. Much of our territory is located in the lowland.
Proponent.
A person who supports an idea or pleads for a cause.
Examples:
Enthusiastic proponent. Proponent of world peace. Einstein was a proponent of the theory of relativity.
Conceivable.
Imaginable or possible to understand or believe in the mind.
Examples:
Conceivable way. Conceivable emergency. It is challenging to defend every conceivable target.
Evaporate.
To turn a liquid into a gas, To become less intense and disappear gradually.
Examples:
Evaporate the water. Evaporate almost overnight. The sun will evaporate the mist.
Shoreline.
A line that separates land and sea.
Examples:
Shoreline erosion. Coral reef shoreline. Flooding occurs along the city's shoreline due to the storm surge.
Recede.
To pull back or move away or backward.
Examples:
Recede from view. Recede in the darkness. The king's political power receded even further.
Detract.
To diminish the value or worth of a quality or performance.
Examples:
Detract from quality of life. Detract from his fame. His terrible manners detract from his good character.
Hemisphere.
Half of the terrestrial globe, half of a sphere.
Examples:
Northern hemisphere. Cerebral hemisphere. This weather pattern is unique to the southern hemisphere.
Carbonate.
A carbonic acid salt or ester that contains the anion CO3.
Examples:
Sodium carbonate. Alkaline carbonate. The explosive chemical reaction does not occur in all sodium carbonate.
Gully.
Deep water cut trench, especially after a prolonged downpour.
Examples:
Street gully. Gully erosion. In the mist, the vast gully was awe-inspiring.
Inconclusive.
Without any significant results or proof or decision.
Examples:
Inconclusive debate. Inconclusive evidence. Climate behavior models are frequently inconclusive.
Astronomer.
A physicist who studies astronomy.
Examples:
Amateur astronomer. Solar astronomer. This question has fascinated solar astronomers for decades.
Unproven.
Not tested or proved.
Examples:
Unproven efficacy. Scientifically unproven. The new treatment's long-term advantages are still unproven. Permafrost. A layer of soil that is permanently below freezing, usually in polar regions.
Examples:
Permafrost area. Thawing permafrost. Permafrost is crucial to soil stability in Arctic areas.